In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for project management. Clickup is a powerful and versatile tool designed to streamline project management by providing a comprehensive platform for organizing tasks, managing teams, and tracking progress. Whether you're working with a small team or managing a large organization, Clickup offers a variety of functions to help keep your projects on track. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of Clickup for your project management needs. First, you'll want to create a workspace tailored to your team or organization. This is essentially the overarching container that will hold all your projects and tasks. Think of it as your digital headquarters, where all the magic begins. By having a centralized workspace, everyone can stay on the same page, contributing to seamless communication and collaboration. Next, leverage the power of templates to save time and standardize workflows. Clickup provides a robust selection of templates for various types of projects and tasks, which can be customized to fit your specific needs. Using templates allows you to maintain consistent processes across different projects, making it easier to onboard new team members or scale up operations as needed. Now, let's invite teammates to collaborate on your projects. Within Clickup, you have the option to add team members and assign different permissions based on their roles. This collaborative approach ensures that everyone involved has the right level of access and the necessary tools to contribute effectively. Be sure to check the permission settings to match each member's responsibilities and keep the project flowing smoothly. As you bring your team together, organizing your projects becomes paramount. Clickup structures your work in spaces, folders, and lists. Spaces act as broad categories that structure your work, while folders and lists help you break down projects into more manageable parts. This hierarchy creates a clear visual roadmap of your projects, aiding navigation and planning at every step. Creating tasks is up next, a fundamental part of project management. Tasks are those actionable pieces of work you and your team need to complete. Within each task, you can assign team members, set due dates, add descriptions, and attach relevant files. This granular level of detail empowers your team to focus clearly on what's required and move efficiently towards accomplishing project goals. To enhance visibility and accommodate different working styles, Clickup offers multiple views. These include list, board, and calendar views, among others, allowing your team to visualize the project in the way that best suits them. By switching between views, you can monitor tasks and timelines, facilitating better planning and execution. Finally, tracking progress is crucial. Clickup provides various tools to help you measure the success of your projects. With features like time tracking and detailed reporting, you can keep a close eye on the workflow and ensure deadlines are met. Monitoring progress enables timely interventions and adjustments, leading to more successful project completions. By setting up and utilizing these elements within Clickup, you'll be well on your way to mastering project management in a seamless, organized, and collaborative manner.